Bzz, bzz, bzz. Look, it's like a real hive. These bees are alive. Just kidding, it's a bar of soap. Hi, I'm Shauna, the soap maker around here. You know, in reality, I don't like bees. I love honey, but if I see an actual bee, I really don't want to be around. There's a few I'm not quite as afraid of as others. But honeybees I do appreciate, and I love the idea of them. So on a soap bar, they're just perfect. And in this soap, we actually put the honey inside the soap as well. It's a really excellent soap and I think you will like it. Would you like to see me make it? First off, we're going to need cocoa butter that we're going to eventually melt. We put it in our container. Next we're going to need coconut oil. That's also going to need to be melted. I get my coconut oil from Honeybrook, Pennsylvania. Next, we need to put that in hot water so that in a double boiler so that the oil will melt. Okay, so once that's melted, we can add the castor oil. And finally, grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil contains some vitamin E. The other ingredients that will go in this wonderful soap include honey, ground oats, and Vibrance Orange Mica from Nurture Soap. Let's begin. The lye water is looking pretty good, nice and clear. Just have to make sure that the oils in the lye water are at room temperature. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Now I'm going to add some orange. Alright, we added orange essential oil. It smells so good. And now we will add some honey. Go. So we have honey, oats, and orange essential oil. And the color comes from Nurture Soap. It is vegan and cruelty-free. Alright, we don't want to overmix, because if we do, it'll be hard to pour it in those things. So I think we're looking right about good. Well, I'll just do a little bit more. Don't want to overdo it. You'll be in big trouble if you do. when you do certain molds and stuff. Then it'll get too thick and it'll mess up, clump up on me. Alright, so here is what we're doing. Here are our honeybees. We actually have real honey in here. And we have orange blossoms, which of course, well no, we have orange essential oil, but it makes me think of how bees like, I don't know, sweet things. Let's see if I can pour this in a way that is not messy, nice and slow, so we get all the crevices. Hope you can see that okay in the camera. Okay. Not used to being filmed while doing soap. I have to say it's a little different. So I had an idea, and I did it before. So what we want to do is fill this in with chocolate. So we're actually going to use Hershey's cocoa, and I'm going to put it in here.